everyone, I am Arush Dikshit and you are watching Connect Tech Arush English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today we are going to study about control flows, loops, and loops are just things that we have to do again and again. Suppose you want to print 100 countings, numbers 1 to 100, then you will copy paste them, but you can do that dynamically with the help of loop, and that is very helpful. And let's go to our computer screen and let's see. We will create a program also for printing the numbers from 200, 1 to 100. Let's go to computer screen. So this is our computer screen and this is my terminal. I will just put here a loop. We have some loops. Loops are basically those things that you have to do again and again. Suppose you want to fill a bucket again and again, so you will create a loop, and you want to do that for 10 times, so you will do that 10 times. So here we have some loop, some kind of loop, and the first loop is for loop. For loop, I will just explain for loop in this video, and next video we will understand about while loop and other loops also. So here is for I in range. Now I want to tell you what is a range. What is range? Here if I print range 200, then it will create a thing called list. I know you will not understand what is list. I know you are not understanding list and tuples. So if you will do this thing, it will create a list here. See, we have a list. Now we want that. Now what is a list? Firstly, I want to tell you what is a list here. Suppose here we want that. We want to store some fruits name. So I will create a variable called fruit apple is equal to apple. And like that you will do everything. But what if I say you can store them in one variable only? That is list. Just put equal to your variable name and equal to, then the square brackets, these square brackets, open bracket and close bracket. Here you can put apple, and after that you can put mango, after that you can put banana, and after that you can put grapes. And what if I say you have to print them? So you will just do print fruits. So when you will do this, it will print your dictionary. See, it has printed your dictionary. But we want that it has to be print in a order. Suppose we write print hello world, so it print in a manner. For that manner we will use loops here. For a fruit, in fruits. Now what is in? In means iterate this. Iteration means firstly select this, then this, then this, then this. And when you will do this, here you can print the fruit. And when we will do this thing, you will see them like this: apple, mango, banana, grapes. Now we want that print. Now our task is print numbers 1 to 100. 200. Now our task is this. For this task we will just create a for I in range of 0 to 100. 0 to 100 means it will create a list for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot 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 100, and like that, and print I. Just in 2 lines of code it will solve this problem. Just in 2 lines of code. And it is just printing. See, it's printing 1 2 3 4 1 2 4 like that. It will print only 99 because it's also taking 0 here. Now what if I say 12101 and CLS, enter, 2 up arrows and enter. And when you will do this thing, it will print your numbers 200.